Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here and I have a happy mail to open. The other day I posted a video about a flow journal that I had never heard of and very quickly learnt how to make one, and I showed you what I put in it. Now it just so happens that my swap partner lives in the same city as me, and so the swap did not take very long. So I think we should unbox this together. All I have done is opened the envelope to save time, and voila, here we go. Let's have a look. This is so exciting. I can't believe it happened so fast. Now, there's a little envelope here for me. Let me have a little sticky beak and see. Oh, there's goodies in here too. Oh, look at this. These are little painted, these are little leaves and some very cute little flowers. Oh, that's a bit gorgeous. Oh, it's a little notebook. Oh, that's very cute. Oh, I like that. And what have I got here? Oh, this is a card that has been painted. It's been decorated with some paper, and there's a little note, and I will read that later. Pop that to the side. Oh, now what have we got here? Let's turn this the right way round. There is another envelope with a wax seal on it. Oh, we must cut that out and save it. Oh, I like this, bits and bobs. Well, how about, rather than risk things flying everywhere, let's grab some scissors and just gently open the top of this envelope and see what we have inside. Oh my gosh, hang on, how about we pop them all out on the desk here. Have a look at all these bits. Oh, these are paper roll beads. She would have made them herself. Oh my gosh, look, a cute little fairy, a horse, a castle, star, lots of pretty little beads. Oh my gosh, have a look at the size of these buttons. Aren't they cool? A pretty flower. Oh, this is so cute. And a tiny little pouch with some string in it. Okay, what if we just gently nudge all those pretty things over into the corner there? And I definitely want to keep that envelope and cut out that wax seal. That looks like it's been done with there's some black in there too. I'm not sure how she did that, but that's very cool. That will go in a journal down the track. Now, let's have a look. How can we undo this and save this string rather than cutting it? I think we can without too much trouble. There we go. Fabulous. And a little, oh, this is cute with her name on it. Oh, I like that. Now, let's see what goodies are in here. Oh my gosh, have a look at this. Hang on, I think it goes this way. Oh, now she's done something very similar to what I did, and she has done some collaging and added some lace. Oh my gosh, have a look at this. I think she's used a manila folder too. Excellent. And then what sort of goodies are in here? There's a pink feather. Oh, a cute little puppy dog with lots of cupcakes. That's a blank card to use. There's some cute little pieces of oriental paper. That's origami paper. Very pretty. A blank tag to use, a heart-shaped doily. I don't have any heart-shaped doilies, so that'll come in handy. More origami. Oh, I think we've done some embossing on that blue one. I love that. Oh, have a look at these. She stamped on, no, that's actually just a book page. Oh my gosh, that is very cool. That might come in handy for my sewing journal that I am going to embark on shortly. Oh, and a piece of gold embossed card. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I love that. So we have a piece of pink cardstock. This has had some watercolors or something splattered on it. That looks great. Now, what have we got here? A little washi sample. That's very cute. Actually, no, we'll put it back in a minute. A little bit of collaging up in the corner there. And some, oh, look at these. These are very cute. These are some Australiana style papers. They're very pretty. Love it. I might have to keep those maybe for Christmas again in case I decide to do another Australian Christmas junk journal. Let's wait and see. Oh my gosh, oh, this is May Gibbs as well. This is two possums. Hang on, I've got this the right way. Oh gosh, that's so cute. There's a white envelope, a piece of blue paper, a piece of vellum. That's quite thin, that vellum, compared to mine. I like that. Very large grid paper. That's cool. A belly band with a cute heart on it. And what's hiding inside? Oh, I am grateful for. This looks as though I am mindful of. And I think we've had some tea or coffee dyeing happening there. A gorgeous piece of cardstock that I could use as a card or cut up. I love that. And in here, a piece of, lovely white smooth card. That's lovely. Nice quality, lovely and thick. Fabulous. Oh, serviette. I love napkins for decoupaging. Oh, and this is a great one. I can do all those little individual bits. That is very cute. Oh, we like that. Pop that back in there. Then I have an envelope here. Some little note pages there. More papers. Oh gosh. Oh, have a look at this. This is a colouring page. Very Australiana too. Exercise book page. Oh, look at this. Have a look at this card. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she's sewn it onto a manila folder, but it's all sparkly. Can you see that? I hold it up. I don't know if you'll catch the sparkle. No, the camera's not getting it. It's very, very dull here today, and I think it's going to rain shortly, but this is incredibly, it's all silver sparkle on the background of this pattern. It's just gorgeous. Oh, here's more for me to play with. Oh, this is fabulous. Don't know where she got that from, but I love that. I do like sparkly things. Oh, and then we've got some fabric here. There's a red with white stars. Oh, London. Oh my gosh, London. My daughter was just in London for Christmas. Oh, how very cool is that? Oh, I love it. Now, we've got another piece of fabric that this has been pinned onto, which is just a piece of lovely cream. I love that. Then we have more white cardstock, some more paper that's definitely had some coffee or tea treatment. There is a piece of pattern. Now that definitely, this is an envelope. There's definitely been some coffee dyeing happening there. And there's a cute little collage. Now I think there's something in here. I think I can feel it. Let's have a look. Ah, some stickers. I don't know, did I put stickers in mine? I can't remember. And a piece of, oh, look at these scarecrows. They're great colours for autumn. I think we can put those to good use. So, actually, we won't pin that back on there for now. Let's have a look. We have a brown paper bag envelope. Oh, look, pegged in here a very pretty piece of very pale pink lace. That's gorgeous. Oh, now, what have we got clipped on here? Let's gently release that. This is a book page, but it's quite thick, so maybe it's been glued in half, possibly. And there's some collage on there. Definitely some distressing happening there. Another piece of origami paper. Those colours are delightful. Oh, and this has been dyed with orange somehow. It's got a very rusty sort of colour. Oh, again, that would be great in something autumn related. Oh, I like this. This is so much fun. Okay, let's pop that back in there. Now, on this cardstock, we have some words that have been embossed on it. It's happy, love, gift. Oh, that's cute. I like that. And then we have the bag. Oh, what's hiding in here? You make me smile. Oh, how very cute. Thank you. Oh, look at all this. Lots of little words. And are they stickers or just paper? I think they're just paper. Be who you are because who you are is amazing. Oh, thanks so much. You look younger than ever. Happy birthday. Oh, that is so cute. What a great idea. I like that. We'll pop those back in there. Then, of course, paper pattern. More of this interesting colour, this. It's sort of, yeah, rusty orange. I love that. Oh, another little fabric snippet here. Well, this is interesting. White. Oh, this is like vinyl tablecloth. Now, that's a bit cool. I like that. I love the print on that. That's fabulous. Now, we have a little pocket here with all sorts of little goodies in it. Now, what have we got here? Oh, that's a plant. And oh, look at this tiny little envelope made out of a book page. And look at little mini tickets. Are they not the cutest thing ever? And then some bigger tickets. And some, what do we call, that is a ticket too. But that's been done on, that's like homemade paper. It's beautifully textured. And then another piece of embossing. Oh, a little snippet strip here that's been sewn together. And a tiny little index card. Oh, now they're cute because they're smaller than the ones that I've got. I like that. I wouldn't mind having a stash of smaller ones. Hang on, there's more goodies though. Beautiful, oh, grey tag again. That'll be nice for autumn, winter. And smile. Oh, that's so cute. That's a very cute little envelope too. I wonder where she got that from. Oh, I love it. Look at all this goodness. And then we have the back of the papers. Now, another envelope that's been popped. Oh, look, this is clever. Look at this, a joker card that has definitely been distressed or it's incredibly old. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is fabulous. And some journaling cards. They never go astray. That's cute. I love this giant grid. That's fabulous. May Gibbs, lol, look at all the gumnut babies. That is so cute. I'm definitely feeling the need to do another Australiana type thing, I think. I love it, especially with the May Gibbs diary that I managed to score, even though it's old. That doesn't matter. And then on our back pocket here, more goodies. Manila folder, a coffee filter. Oh, she has come up with some great ideas. 2 gorgeous serviettes with rainbows. I love those. And then a little card with pretty green leaves on it. Oh, that is lovely. I love that. Oh my gosh, this is just fabulous. So many goodies here to play with. Love it. Oh, honestly, this is just wonderful. I am so happy with all this. I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with all these goodies. So there we go. So that's what I received. And now in March, Cara Brandon, who started all of this, will be giving us some things to make in March using goodies that we received in our flow journals. So I'm looking forward to that. So I won't use any of this until we've done our projects in March, and then whatever's left I can put into journals. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you have a crafty friend, why don't you organise a flow journal swap? It's easy to do and it's a lot of fun, and you get to add goodies to your stash like this fabulous collection. So there we go. Until next time, please stay healthy and stay safe. If you have any questions about flow journals, pop them down in the comments and I'll happily help you out. So bye for now.